In this video, we will show you some useful techniques that can help you improve your paraphrasing skills. Let's get started. So what techniques can you use to paraphrase?
Here are some paraphrasing techniques. Using synonyms. When paraphrasing, try to think about a word that has the same, accurate meaning as the original word from the source. If you are not sure, check the meaning of this word in a good dictionary. Changing verbs. For example, if the original sentence is in the active voice, you could change the verb to the passive voice in your paraphrase, or vice versa. Change the word class. You may use nominalization, that is changing verbs into nouns. Change the form of the verb. This may include changing the verb from a gerund to an infinitive, or the other way around. Expressing numbers differently. Instead of using digits, spell out the numbers in words. Round numbers. If the exact number is not crucial to the meaning, you could round it to the nearest whole number, or a significant figure. Use approximations. If the exact number is not available, or is uncertain, you could use an approximation. If the number is a percentage or fraction, you could express it as such. Use a combination of these techniques together to create an effective and successful paraphrase. And don't forget to cite and reference. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. See you soon.